That's good. Okay, we need some pressed powder. You know what? I may keep this even though I stopped talking because I got this, but I didn't tell you about the pressed powder. This is the It Cosmetics by Pores. This is the sample size. I usually use the, but I press this on with a enclosed pad on purpose because that's how they gave it to you, and I agree that a sponge applicator like this style is better than any other style. And that sets that. This is colorless, but look at the difference. Look at the difference. Without. Now, I am going to go back and give some shine because this is basically for setting product. This is not for giving a matte look. Because I don't want a matte look. I just want to set the product because I put on concealer. And I want to make sure it's set good. There. Yep, that's good. There. Okay. I feel like that should breathe a little. So now I am going to go back to that blush because it got a little unsunny. Let's put some back on the nose, back right there, and back right there. Right where the sun would hit. Almost like a little nose mustache in the top of the chin. Not right there. Or would it be a little bit? Maybe a little bit. And we are going to go back and add a little touch of highlighter. That shiny look looked good. Just a touch on the tip of the nose. And right here where you're shiny because you're sweaty because you were outside. Right there. Maybe a little right there. Definitely a little right there. Right, on Cupid's bow. Is that right? And then a touch right right there where you would sweat. Everywhere where you would sweat. Why are we trying to emulate sweat and then we go wipe it off?